Welcome back to Weekends on One. Today is National Cancer Survivors Day, a day for all people living with a history of cancer to connect with each other, celebrate milestones, and recognize those who have supported them along the way. According to the National Cancer Survivors Day Foundation, there are about 18 million cancer survivors in the U.S. The day is also a call to action for further research, more resources, and increased public awareness to improve the lives of cancer survivors. We spoke with two cancer survivors who received their treatment at Maimonides Health Center in Brooklyn. Francine Rispoli was diagnosed with breast cancer back in 2013. She was just 28 years old. Rispoli had to put her wedding on hold to undergo a double mastectomy and chemotherapy. After her treatment, she was finally able to marry the love of her life. That was in 2014. She later gave birth to her son, Ralphie. She calls him her miracle baby because several attempts to have a second child have been unsuccessful. Rispoli is now cancer-free. She says surviving cancer makes her feel like she has a second chance at life, and she does not take life for granted.
Live every day, just happy and, just do everything that I ever really want to do to, just be happy and make my family happy and just live a happy life.
We also spoke with Dennis McGrath Wagner. His husband passed away of pancreatic cancer in January of last year after they were together for 27 years. Several months after his husband's death in November last year, McGrath Wagner was diagnosed with leukemia. He is now in remission. He's going through outpatient treatment at Maimonides Health Center through at least October. Even with all that he was going through, McGrath Wagner tried to bring cheer to others in the hospital, including doctors and nurses. He would dress in various costumes to help lighten the mood and to show kindness to others.
People who were visiting their family saw me up and down the aisles, and I had one person talk to me that his mother was dying. And he actually thought I worked there. And when he found that I was a patient, then he started talking to me even more about my cancer and his mother's cancer. And he said that I helped him a little bit get through what he's going through.
And both McGrath, Wagner, and Rispoli say having a positive attitude during their cancer journeys was very important to surviving cancer. That is their message to other cancer patients today. Both are also very grateful to their doctors and nurses for not only providing them medical care and treatment, but also for being very kind and caring throughout their treatment. For more information on National Cancer Survivors Day, head to that website, ncsd.org.